Hey beauties! Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today I have a little gem from Estée Lauder to explore with you. The Pure Color Long-Lasting Matte Lipstick in shade 688 Idol. It's a muted purple with a cool undertone, designed to deliver a matte finish while keeping your lips nourished and slightly plumped. Small but mighty, this 0.12 ounce stick promises both color payoff and comfort. When I first swatched this lipstick, the texture felt surprisingly smooth for a matte formula. It glides on effortlessly without tugging at the lips, a common issue with some long-wear mattes. The pigment is rich and instantly gives a bold, sophisticated look, which is perfect if you're aiming for a statement lip without needing multiple layers. One thing I appreciated right away is that it doesn't settle into fine lines, which is something I always look for in a matte lipstick. In my everyday testing, I wore it through a morning coffee run, a light lunch, and even a quick afternoon meeting. The color held up well though. As expected with most mattes, it did fade slightly in the center after eating. Reapplication was easy, and because it's formulated to be nourishing, it didn't dry out my lips, which is often a concern with long-lasting mattes. Now, let's talk about the pros. The color is beautifully unique, a muted purple that isn't overpowering but still stands out. The matte finish looks polished and sophisticated, perfect for both day and night. The moisturizing elements make it comfortable to wear for hours, which is a big plus. On the flip side, the lipstick isn't completely transfer-proof, so you might notice slight smudging after a heavy meal. Also, while the plumping effect is subtle, it's not dramatic. So if you're looking for a full-on lip boost, this won't replace a dedicated plumper. In terms of value for money, Estée Lauder positions this as a premium lipstick, and the quality largely justifies the price. The blend of comfort, pigmentation, and lasting power is right in line with what you'd expect from a high-end brand. If you're exploring similar options at a lower price point, there are drugstore mattes with good pigment, but they often lack the same smoothness and nourishing feel that makes this lipstick stand out. The build quality is classic Estée Lauder, sleek, luxurious, and sturdy, so it feels high-end in your hand. I haven't had to interact with customer support personally, but Estée Lauder's reputation for handling inquiries is solid, which adds peace of mind. If you're debating how it compares to other high-end mattes, I'd say it holds its own beautifully. It's more hydrating than some of the more hardcore long-wear formulas, and the color selection is sophisticated without being too trendy or gimmicky. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Overall, Estée Lauder's Pure Color Long-Lasting Matte Lipstick in 688 Idol delivers on its promise of rich color, comfort, and a matte finish that doesn't sacrifice hydration. It's ideal for anyone who loves a polished, everyday matte lip with a touch of elegance. If you've used this lipstick, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.